What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in this video today, I'm going to be installing the Steeda clutch spring kit in my car. It comes with the upgraded Perch kit as well. And super easy install. It's going to be a pretty short video because it's one of the easiest installs you can do on a car, and it's definitely worth it. And I'm going to get into the video and show you guys how to do it. What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to install the new clutch assist spring with the new heavy duty Perch kit from Steeda. And then I would recommend getting some grease to put grease on this because the stock one has grease. And all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, some needle nose vice grips, and then let's see. It's going to be hard to see, but the spring's up there. And just, you gotta lock it, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Probably help if I brought some. Hold on, let me get a flashlight so I can show you guys. Spring is up there, the stock one. So what you gotta do is depress the clutch pedal. And when you do, put the vice grips on 2 of those. Alright, so I got the old one off. Did end up breaking it, but that's why I got the new Perch kit. But I would recommend putting some grease on the new one. Super simple to get off, super simple to put back on. It's literally been a couple minutes. So I'm gonna put this on and I'll show you guys. Alright, I got the new one in. Super easy to get in, like 30 seconds, but I'm gonna test drive it, see how it feels, let you guys know. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you. I appreciate it. I've been driving on this spring and Perch kit for a while now, and it's definitely worth the $100 that it costs to get it. Definitely worth the upgrade. Makes the clutch engagement feel so much better and just overall a better driving experience. So I'd highly recommend it. I'll link it down in the description where you can get it. And please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.